Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the world of motorcycles, the 2025 Aprilia RS660. Building on the success of the original RS660, this new version takes everything we loved about the bike and adds some serious upgrades in both performance and design. So, what makes the 2025 RS660 stand out? Let's find out. Engine and performance: more power, more precision. The heart of the 2025 Aprilia RS660 is its refined 659cc parallel twin engine. While it retains the same core power plant as the previous model, Aprilia has worked to fine-tune it for better throttle response and smoother delivery across the rev range. The engine now produces slightly more horsepower, with some reports suggesting a peak of around 100 horsepower, making it even more thrilling on both the street and track. The RS660's engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a bi-directional quickshifter for ultra-smooth gear changes. Whether you're chasing lap times or just enjoying a spirited ride, the engine remains one of the most balanced in its class, offering plenty of low-end torque without compromising top-end performance. Chassis and handling refined for riders of all levels. One of the key areas where the 2025 RS660 shines is its chassis. Aprilia has made subtle tweaks to the frame and suspension setup, improving handling without sacrificing comfort. The bike features a fully adjustable front fork and rear shock, which allows for fine-tuning based on rider preference, road conditions, or track requirements. Whether you're carving through twisties or hitting the racetrack, the RS660's handling is responsive, precise, and confidence-inspiring. The addition of updated brakes, including a set of Brembo calipers, enhances stopping power, making sure you can push the bike to its limits without worrying about slowing down. Electronics and technology smarter than ever. For 2025, Aprilia has upgraded the electronics package to make the RS660 even smarter. The bike now features the latest version of Aprilia's dynamic ride control system, which includes multiple riding modes, traction control, and a more advanced cornering ABS system. These systems work seamlessly together to adjust the bike's behavior to different riding styles and conditions, providing you with more control than ever before. There's also the option of a new TFT display, offering clearer readouts and even more customization options, so you can tailor the interface to suit your riding preferences. Whether you're on the road or the track, this tech upgrade makes a real difference. Design and aesthetics: aggressive and modern. The 2025 Aprilia RS660 continues to turn heads with its sharp, aggressive styling. The new model features even sleeker bodywork, with refined aerodynamics for improved high-speed stability. The front end has been slightly redesigned, with sharper LED headlights and a more pronounced, angular look. The rear end also receives some updates, including a new tail section that looks both sporty and functional. Aprilia offers the RS660 in a range of eye-catching color schemes, and the overall fit and finish is top-notch, as we've come to expect from the brand. Conclusion: is the 2025 Aprilia RS660 worth it? So, does the 2025 Aprilia RS660 live up to the hype? Absolutely. With more power, enhanced handling, smarter electronics, and an even more refined design, this bike offers a thrilling riding experience for both newcomers and seasoned riders alike. Whether you're looking for a bike that excels on the track or a sport bike that can handle daily rides, the RS660 is a strong contender in the mid-size category. If you're in the market for a new ride in 2025, the RS660 is definitely worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest bikes and gear. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.